happy so far with the proceedings. These are proceedings that are done in the open. We have seen it all. After 30 minutes you say this, after 10 minutes you say something contrary. We have seen people contradicting themselves in court. Somebody says elections were free and fair, then at the next point, I got complaints, elections were not fair. You know, that contradiction. Then somebody tells you people are supposed to sign they are supposed to sign, the DR forms are supposed to be signed after and counting of votes, but people signed before counting of votes. Then they ask, what does the law say? No, I think it is the practice. Is it the practice that people have to sign at midday or at 10 a.m. before even actual counting of the vote? And it was done in the entire district. People signed DR forms before final declaration of the results of the candidates, meaning that there were so many irregularities in these elections. And remember, they gave us witnesses. My lawyer asked them to produce those witnesses in courts of law. Reaching here, they came alone. They had no witnesses, saying that witnesses went to work, we don't know when they will return, others, their phones are off, others are not in their homes. How do you bring somebody as a witness when you cannot even carry that person to come to court and testify to give proof of your argument? Meaning that there were so many irregularities. So many irregularities. The whole election process was messed up. And me, I thank God that it has been said in broad daylight. And I know I'm waiting for the final judgment.
I'm positive, I'm consistent. I have been telling you from the day one that I'm consistent with my truth. I have been telling you the truth. I cannot steal any votes. I cannot rig any election. I cannot bribe anyone. And it came out very openly. It was an open court. You saw the petitioner side didn't have evidence. And you saw even the returning officer came and explained whatever happened. And he was in charge of the election.
Over the issue that you had raised, that the elections were fair and fair, but the perfection.
Because the matter is still ongoing in court, it's something I wouldn't like to divulge into, but it was a case of someone who wanted to blackmail me, and I refused, because I'm an honest person, and I cannot be blackmailed. I know my truth, and the good thing is, I put the record straight.